Hello guys, what it do, it's your girl Favor, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I took down my full locks in less than 20 minutes. Yes honey, I said it, less than 20 minutes. It actually took me 18 minutes, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to say less than 20 minutes. So basically all you're going to need for this video is a pair of scissors, after which you just want to grab one of your locks and then you just want to unravel it. You want to unravel it enough that you are able to see your actual hair, you know, the braided hair, and then you gradually just want to pull it out. And then if it's harder, if you're struggling with pulling it out, then you just need to unravel more, after which you just, you know, pull it out some more. If it's still harder, unravel it and pull it out. Don't just try to force it out, you know, try to unravel it, play it around with it a little. But once you get your braided hair out, all you want to do is grab the actual hair that you wrapped your hair with and try to get as close as you can to your roots, and then just cut it off. And after which you just want to like pull the rest of the extra hair out, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of examples, so no worries. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe and click the bell button so you're notified for future tips. Also, don't forget to share this video with friends and family that might find this helpful. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Also, I'm a little sick, so excuse my voice. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And like I always say, ciao. I also wanted to mention that I did do a tutorial on this. If you haven't seen that, please make sure to check it out. And yeah, your girl is really out here just doing it all. So yeah, I teach you how to do the hair, how to braid, how to wrap, and you know, how to take it down. I do it all. So yeah, please make sure to check that out. Thank you all so much.